Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Hey guys, this is Just One Guy, and I'm back here with another video. Now, while all this Unity stuff was happening, I was still working on my project. And even though I intend to port my project to other game engines, I'm still going to build it in Unity just in case. So, I'm going to show you all the new features I added to the project in the next couple of videos. This first video is going to be going over the health system specifically that I added. So I'm just going to go in game. And I'm just going to put the game in isometric third person mode because I like the way that looks. And right off the bat, you can see I have this health bar here. Now when I zoom out and zoom in, it resizes just to make it look a little better. And so it isn't that distracting when you're super zoomed out. I didn't want it to be like a giant health bar covering everything. Now of course, if you zoom out too far, it is actually supposed to go away. Let me see if I still got that in the game. Let's change my max zoom distance to 100. And yeah, it disappears. But I think that works pretty well. Now you can see this health bar gives you all the information about the player, its name, and it will also display the status right here, which I'll show you later. And then you have a health bar. Right now it's blue. There are 3 different types of health in the game: shields, armor, and regular health. Now the shields, what they'll do is completely negate an attack. If you get attacked and you have shields on, the character won't take any knockback damage or any effect damage, and they won't be attacked at all. Now what it will do is subtract 1 point from the shield. The armor, depending on how I set it up, can work one of 2 ways. It can either act as a second health bar, or it can negate some of the damage depending on how strong the armor is. Right now I have it acting as a second health bar. I'm just gonna give this character more armor for when I demonstrate how it works. And then the regular health bar works as a health bar. So the first thing I'm going to do is spawn this character in right here, just so I can demonstrate how the health bar works. Now you can see the NPC doesn't have any armor or shields, so its health bar is green. Each type of armor is a different color. The shields are blue, the armor is gray, and the regular health bar is green. So next I'm going to go into dev mode, and I'm going to change this character stats to be able to attack. I'll go over this in a later video. So now the character can attack, and you can see he's attacking my shield, and the little damage value is coming up, and it's blue, and it says 1. That means he's taking 1 point of shield away every time he attacks, but it's having no effect on me. Now you can see that my shield is gone and I'm taking armor damage, and the damage value is gray now. Now he's made it through my shields and he's hitting my health, and you can see that it's turning red. I wanted it like that so you can easily tell just from a glance how much damage the character is doing and what type of damage they're doing. So also I created that little effect right here where it goes down slowly and you have that little red health, just so you can see how much damage you're taking at a visual glance, so you won't have to pay attention to the numbers so much. So right here, I'm just going to start attacking him back, because if I don't, he'll kill me. Now the characters do regenerate, and I'll show you that a bit later. Ooh. Let me just go out of dev mode so I can attack him. Okay, and he's done a substantial amount of damage to me. So I'm just going to see if I can kill him. And I'm just going to run to try to get some space from him, and then attack him, just because it's easier that way. And I missed a punch right there and he caught up with me. And now you can see that I've knocked him out. Now, I'm not going to kill him. If I attack him one more time, he will die. But what I want to do is show you what happens when a character is knocked out. So when a character is knocked out, once they regain, I think, 10% of their health, they'll get back up. So he is regenerating right now. He's just doing it very slowly. So I'm just going to go into dev mode and speed up his regeneration, just as a demonstration. So I've changed it to 0.1. There we go. And he regenerated enough health and he got up, and now he's about to kill me. So I'm just going to change my health to be my max health, just so he doesn't kill me. And I'm going to go out of dev mode so I can actually attack him without bringing up the menu. And you can see with the shield on, he can't actually damage me and stop me from attacking. I can't kill him right now because I set the health too high. I didn't realize that. Let me just, well, his regen rate too high. Let me just make that 0. Ooh, that was a mistake on my part. I should have made that 20. And the regen rate just controls how fast he regens. I'm just going to take his health down manually. You can see if I hit him again, he'll die. And I got the experience for killing him. And that's pretty much how the health bar system works. And you can see it lets you know the status of the character too. That's a pretty simple system, and I plan on expanding it a bit more, but I think it works pretty well. Of course, in a real game, I would change the visuals of this, probably make this see-through a bit, just so it works a little better. But right now, the basics of it, I think it's pretty good. And it works for a nice isometric game, or something like a Diablo type game. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And if you're interested in anything I'm doing, or you just want to follow the channel, please like and subscribe, and check out my socials in the description down below.